Yes, good morning student. Now today I am going to start class 10th subject information technology code 402. Chapter name is the web application and security part B unit 1. Now today I am going to discuss the part 5 of the web application and security. Right? Now I am going to discuss this topic offline blogging, offline blog editors, advantages of the offline blogging, Microsoft Live Writer, features of the Windows Live Writer, and WYSIWYG. This is the editor that is known as the what you see is what you get. Now I am going to discuss. Now first is the offline blogging. Now student, you know what is the offline blogging? Now offline blogging is the tool. Offline blogging is the tool for bloggers where you create a blog post without an internet connection. Okay student, without internet connection we have to blog. So this is known as the offline blogging. Means that there is no need of any internet connection. So this is the offline blogging. Okay, now offline blogging is a tool for the bloggers where you can create a blog post without the internet connection. Offline editor. Okay, now next I am going to discuss about some best offline blog editors that are currently available. Offline blog editors, here are the some offline blog editors like a name of the Window Live Writer. Window Live Writer. Second is the Open Live Writer. Third is the Blog Desk. And fourth is the Cumina. Fifth one is known as the Scribefire. Scribefire. These are the 5 offline blog editors. Now, what is the first is the Windows Live Writer is the Microsoft product and available free to create offline blog post. Right? Second is the Open Live Writer. Open Live Writer is like Open Live Writer is like Word. Open Live Writer is like Word for your blog. Open Live Writer is the open source application enabling user to author, edit and publish blog post. Now next is the Blog Desk is the also free and can be used on the Windows as your offline blog editor. Next is the Comna. Comna is for window. Comna is for the Windows and the Mac computer. It works with the most common blogging application, right? This is the Comna. Now Scribefire is the popular Firefox add-on and the blog editor that you can use to post to your blog directly from your Firefox browser. So these are the offline blog editors. Such type of the question may be come in your examination. Explain offline blog editor with any 5 names of the blog. Write the name of the any 5 blog offline blog editors. So these are the names. Now next I am going to discuss about the advantages of the offline blogging. Here are the some advantages of the offline blogging. What are the advantages? Now I am going to discuss. First is the offline blog editor does not need any internet connection. There is no need any internet connection. Offline blog editor is the faster than the online editor. This is the faster. Offline blog editor is the faster than the online editor, right? Now next is the offline blog editor is the easy to create and edit the blog. This is the very easy to create. Next, you have the backup copy. You have the backup copy of your post on the hard drive. Next, integration with all major blogging platform. Next, offline blog editor are easy to upload images and video. Right? Offline blog editor has easy option for the image editing and formatting. Next, easy to publish multiple blog because you don't have to log in and log out of the various account, and you need not go through the stress of the creating an editor account on the live blog. So these are the advantages of the offline blogging. Such type of the question may be coming in your examination, regularly coming in your examination. Write the any 5 advantages of the offline blogging. So you can write like this. Now next I am going to discuss about the Microsoft Live Writer, WLW. WLW stands for the Windows Live Writer. Windows Live Writer. Now this is the Microsoft Live Writer. Windows Live Writer is a blogging platform designed to allow you to blog from your desktop. It is created by the Microsoft and the part of the Windows Live Essential packages. Microsoft Live Writer is a free, popular blog editor and the favorites of blogging who run Windows operating system. Now I am going to discuss about the features of the Windows Live Writer. What are the features? Here are some features of the Windows Live Writer. So first is the create a blog without the internet connection and publish. When creating a blog post, it is a continuously auto save. User can add the multiple blog from the different account. User can create a multiple blog from the different account because there is no need of any internet connections. Next, support the offline editing and post scheduling. Ability to add the image and the upload video. User can add the watermark to image, and ability to set post or the page category, author, password, slugs. And here is the editor. That editor is known as the WYSIWYG. This is the editor. You know what is the full form of this? What you see is what you get. This is the editor. Okay, that we can use editor to give and the instant preview of exactly how a post will look like when it is published, right? Now user can create and the insert table easily, and it is one of the consistent interface for the multiple blog platform. User can share the multiple picture by creating a photo album with the different style options. Okay, now student, these are the topic. Now here is the such type of the question will be come in examination. Like I explained, WLW. What is the WLW? WLW stands for the Windows Live Writers. Now such type of the question may be coming in your examination. Explain WLW with any 5 features. Regularly such type of the question coming in your board examination. Okay, so these are the topic, student. I think you have understand. This is the topic I have discussed. Now these are the topic. Now I am going to repeat again. First topic is the offline blogging. Second is the offline blog editor. Third is the advantages of the offline blogging, and the Microsoft Live Writer, WLW. That is the WLW stands for the Windows Live Writer, and the features of the Windows Live Writers. And here is the editor. This editor is the, what is the full form of this editor? What you see is what you get. Okay student, now topic is over. Thank you student.